Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I am Joe.
Hi, everyone. And I am Anna. We are so happy you are here with us today.
If you enjoy practicing English with us, please press the subscribe button. It really supports our channel.
And if this episode helps you, give us a like. It tells us you want more speaking practice.
Today, we are talking about something very important: daily English speaking practice at home.
Yes, many students ask us the same question. How can I practice speaking if I'm alone?
That is such a common problem. People study grammar, they read books, they watch videos, but they do not speak.
Exactly. They wait for a partner. They wait for a teacher. They wait for the perfect moment.
And sometimes that moment never comes.
Yes, and then they feel stuck. They feel nervous. They lose confidence.
But here's the good news. You do not need a partner to practice speaking.
You do not need a classroom. You do not even need a long study plan.
You just need a habit, a small daily habit.
I like that word, habit. Something you do every day, even for 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Because daily practice builds confidence.
And confidence makes you speak more.
And when you speak more, you improve faster.
It's like exercise. If you go to the gym one time, nothing changes.
But if you go a little every day, your body becomes stronger.
Speaking English is the same. Your mouth needs practice. Your brain needs repetition.
And the best place to start is your home.
At home, you feel safe.
You can make mistakes.
You can speak slowly.
You can repeat the same sentence 10 times.
No one is judging you.
No one is laughing.
So today, we want to help you build a simple routine.
A daily speaking routine that you can start today.
Nothing complicated.
Nothing scary.
Just small steps.
And by the end of this conversation, you will feel more ready to speak English every single day at home.
And you know, Anna, many people think speaking practice must be complicated.
Yes, they imagine big conversations, difficult vocabulary, fast speaking.
But daily practice can start with something very simple.
Very simple, like talking to yourself.
Some people feel shy about that.
They do. They think it is strange.
But actually, it is one of the best techniques.
Yes, self-talk is powerful.
For example, in the morning, you can say, I am waking up.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am making coffee.
Exactly. You just describe your actions.
No pressure, no perfect grammar needed.
Just speak. Even short sentences are okay.
Some students say, but I do not know enough words.
That is normal. Then use the words you do know.
If you do not know a word, say it in a simpler way.
For example, if you don't know kettle, you can say the machine for hot water.
Yes, communication is more important than perfection.
And when you speak daily, your brain becomes faster.
You stop translating so much.
You start thinking in English.
That's a big goal.
Yes, thinking in English changes everything.
Let's imagine a small situation. You are cooking dinner.
You can say, I am cutting vegetables.
I smell good.
I hope it tastes delicious.
See? That's real speaking practice.
And it feels natural because it connects to your real life.
Daily speaking must connect to your daily routine.
Not just textbook sentences.
Exactly. Real life English.
And when you repeat this every day, you build fluency little by little.
Fluency is not magic.
It is repetition.
It is small, daily effort.
And once you start talking to yourself comfortably, you'll be ready for something even more interesting.
Ready for something more interesting?
Yes, because once you are comfortable speaking alone, the next step feels less scary.
Exactly. Now we talk about speaking with a partner.
Many learners feel nervous here.
They worry about mistakes.
They worry about pronunciation.
But conversation is not a test.
It is connection.
Let's imagine you have a friend who is also learning English.
You do not need a long discussion.
You can start with simple daily questions.
Like, how was your day?
Or, what did you do today?
And when your friend answers, listen carefully.
Listening is part of speaking practice.
Very important.
If your friend says, I was tired, you can respond, why were you tired?
Or, oh really? What happened?
See, you were building a real conversation.
Not just one sentence.
At least 4 or 5 exchanges.
Yes, that is how confidence grows.
Let's create a small example. I will ask you something.
Okay.
What did you do yesterday evening?
Yesterday evening, I watched a movie.
Oh, nice. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy. It was very funny.
That sounds good. Did you watch it alone?
No, I watched it with my sister.
See, that's already 5 exchanges.
And the conversation feels natural.
Exactly. You're not memorizing.
You are reacting.
That word is important. Reacting.
Yes, real conversation needs reaction.
Another tip is to repeat key words.
For example,
If your friend says, I'm preparing for an exam, you can say, oh, you're preparing for an exam? When is it?
that repetition gives you time to think,
And it shows interest.
which makes the conversation warmer.
If you do not understand something, you can say, can you repeat that?
Or, can you say that again slowly?
Never pretend you understand.
Clarification is normal.
Yes, even native speakers ask for clarification.
So, daily speaking practice does not need perfect grammar.
It needs participation.
It needs curiosity.
And when you practice like this a few minutes every day,
Soon, you will feel ready to create even longer conversations.
and once you feel comfortable with one friend,
You might think about something bigger.
yes, speaking with more than one person,
Group conversations can feel scary
very scary for some learners,
because people speak fast
and sometimes they interrupt.
and topics change quickly.
But you do not need to speak all the time.
That is important.
You can start by listening carefully,
Listening gives you context.
and context helps you answer better.
So, what can someone say in a group?
Simple things,
Like, I agree.
or that's true.
You can also say, I think so too.
Short sentences, but powerful.
Exactly. You are participating.
Even with 5 words.
Let's imagine we are with two friends. They are talking about food.
Okay,
One friend says, I love spicy food.
you can say, oh really, I like spicy food too.
Or maybe you disagree.
Then you can say, not me, I prefer mild food. See, you are adding your opinion.
Opinion is another important word.
Yes, sharing your opinion builds confidence.
What if you want to enter the conversation but there is no pause?
Good question.
Because that happens often.
You can politely say, can I add something?
Or, can I say something?
These phrases help you join smoothly.
Not aggressively.
Right, politeness always helps.
Another useful phrase is, what do you think?
Yes, if you ask someone else for their opinion, they will often ask you back.
And now you have a chance to speak.
That is a smart strategy.
Very smart.
Let's create a short group example.
Okay.
Friend says, working from home is better.
You say, I'm not sure. I think working in an office is better.
Friend asks, why?
You answer, because I focus more in the office.
That is already a mini discussion.
And you did not use difficult vocabulary.
Just clear ideas.
That's the goal.
Another tip for daily practice is to join online speaking groups.
Yes, many apps offer conversation rooms.
Even 10 minutes of real talk can improve your fluency.
Fluency grows with repetition.
And exposure.
Exposure means hearing and using English often.
The more you expose yourself to English,
The more it feels natural to respond without overthinking.
and when it starts to feel natural,
You can challenge yourself a little more.
yes, you can practice alone.
Alone? Without a partner?
Yes, speaking alone is powerful.
Many learners feel shy doing that.
I know, but it works.
How can someone practice alone at home?
Start simple. Talk about your day.
Like a diary?
Exactly, but speak it out loud.
Can you give an example?
Sure, you can say, "Today I woke up at 7.
Today, I made coffee.
I answered emails."
I felt tired in the afternoon.
These are normal daily sentences.
And they build fluency step by step.
Another idea is mirror practice.
That sounds interesting.
Stand in front of a mirror
Look at yourself.
and speak for 2 minutes.
About what?
Anything. Your plans, your goals, your feelings.
It feels strange at first.
Yes, but it improves confidence.
Because you see yourself speaking.
Exactly. You become comfortable with your own voice.
That is important.
Another powerful tool is shadowing.
Shadowing?
Yes, you listen to a short English audio.
And repeat it immediately?
Yes, like a shadow.
That helps pronunciation.
And rhythm.
And natural speed.
For example, audio says, "I'd like a cup of coffee."
You repeat, I'd like a cup of coffee.
Try to copy the tone.
Copy the emotion, too.
Exactly.
What about thinking in English?
Very good point.
Instead of translating from your language.
Yes, when you see a dog, think, "That dog is cute."
When you are hungry, think, I need food.
Small thoughts.
But daily practice.
This builds automatic response.
Automatic means without stopping to translate.
Correct.
Another idea is recording yourself.
Yes, use your phone.
Speak for 1 minute.
Then listen.
You will notice mistakes.
But do not be too critical.
Be kind to yourself.
Improvement takes time.
Daily speaking practice is not about perfection.
It is about consistency.
Small effort every day creates big progress over time.
And when you practice every day like that,
You start to feel more confident.
exactly, confidence grows slowly.
Before we finish today, let's review some important words.
Yes, let's make it simple.
First word, routine.
Routine means something you do every day.
Example, my morning routine includes coffee and reading.
Second word, consistent.
Consistent means doing something regularly.
Example, I am consistent with my English practice.
Third word, fluency.
Fluency means speaking smoothly and naturally.
Example, I want to improve my fluency.
Next word, confidence.
Confidence means believing in yourself.
Example, I feel more confident when I practice daily.
Another word, shadowing.
Shadowing means repeating after an audio immediately.
Example, I practice shadowing with English podcasts.
Next word, automatic.
Automatic means without thinking too much.
Example, I want English to become automatic.
Next word, pronunciation.
Pronunciation means how you say words.
Example, I practice pronunciation every day.
And finally, progress.
Progress means improvement over time.
Example, I see progress after 1 month of practice.
Now here's a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
What is your daily English routine?
Do you speak alone?
Do you practice shadowing?
Write one simple sentence in the comments.
Something like, I practice English for 10 minutes every day.
Remember, small steps matter.
Even 5 minutes is better than 0.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need daily action.
We are proud of you.
Yes. If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video.
And share it with a friend who wants to improve English speaking.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our daily English conversations.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And keep believing in yourself.
We will see you in the next episode.